The first 7 chosen. Isabelle Laurent, theoretical physicist, expert in the nature of matter and antimatter. Alejandro Ramirez, philosopher and logician, known for his theories on existence and perception. Maria Zhang, neurobiologist, pioneer in the study of consciousness and brain functions. Ethan Blackwell, mathematician recognized for his contributions to chaos theory and higher dimensions. Anya Volkova, conceptual artist and psychologist, fascinated by the interaction between emotions and reality. Tariq al-Sheikh, computer scientist and artificial intelligence engineer, expert in self-evolutionary algorithms. Lydia Arvanitis, philosopher and cosmologist, concerned with the nature of time and space. The first dimension. The pure matter dimension. Dr. Elias chose this dimension as a starting point to test how these extraordinary people react when everything is reduced to matter and reason. Pure matter is a dimension where everything is stable and concrete, each atom having a precise role, and changes are almost impossible without direct intervention. Rational thinking and pure logic are the key to survival here. With the help of a one-way communication device, Dr. Elias and his team were able to receive signals and information from this dimension, but they could not offer help or intervene. Each person was alone in this new reality. 1. Isabelle Laurent was sent first. The moment she stepped into the dimension of pure matter, Isabelle felt absolute peace. Everything around her was stable, predictable, and without sudden changes. She discovered that any rational thought she had could be immediately transformed into a precise action, and the nature of matter was perfectly understood by her mind. But, over time, Isabelle began to realize that, without the possibility of chaos, without the unknown, pure reason began to become monotonous. The lack of unpredictable challenges made her feel empty. She communicated through her one-way device. Everything is perfect. Too perfect. My thoughts are realized with incredible clarity, but without surprise, without curiosity. What does progress mean without the unpredictable? 2. Alejandro Ramirez, the philosopher, was sent immediately after Isabelle. When he entered the dimension of pure matter, Alejandro was fascinated by the perfect order. Everything was clear, logical, and no illusion could deceive perception. For him, this dimension seemed like the utopia of rational thought, a place where all philosophical concepts were tangible and testable. But after a while, Alejandro discovered that the unanswered questions, the ones that had motivated him all his life, did not exist here. Everything had an answer, and this made him feel that there was no longer any room for